Kayla, what are you saying?
Fish is in.
Okay, so we're gonna fry some fish, and how do I fry fish? So I'm gonna start off with a bowl. Sorry about that. I'm gonna start off with a bowl here, and in this bowl I'm going to put some milk. And this the milk. The purpose of the milk and the other fat from the egg. 1 egg. I'm just frying like 6 pieces of fish, and this is for my kids' lunch. So just frying them something really quickly. And you got an egg and some milk. And let me get a fork because I'm going to whisk that together. And the purpose of this is to make the batter stick. Today I just bought a pre-seasoned store batter, just because I have to be there shortly. So I'm doing everything really quick. Because fish doesn't take long to cook. So it's going to just look like that. Okay, then I'm going to just take the fish, and of course, you know, I washed the fish. I cleaned it off, soaked the fish in, you know, just like you would any meat. And you want to totally immerse it on both sides. And here, next to the batter, I have my pre-seasoned, like I said, store-bought batter. I did not season my own batter this time, just because of for time's sake. So I take the fish out of the egg mixture, and I'm just going to batter it up on both sides. My skillet is already heating, and I'm frying my fish in grapeseed oil. That's just my oil of choice. And from there, we're going to lay it into the grease. So let me put that on counter. So we're going to go from there. We're going straight into the grease. Okay, so make sure you lay your fish down. When you're frying stuff, make sure you lay it really close to the grease. And I thought my grease would be hotter than this because I had it on for quite a while, but it's bubbling nonetheless. And so I'm going to get the other pieces battered up, and I'll get those in as well. The thicknesses of the fish is that'll determine, you know, how quickly the fish will cook. But go ahead and batter up the rest, and I'll be right back. It's not going to take too long to fry on each side. Maybe, I would say about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and it's going to be done. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I'm coming back on to show you. These are the last 2 pieces of fish I'm frying, and you're going to set it real close to the oil and lay it down so that it doesn't pop back. That's the only thing I dislike about frying food is the oil pop. So then lay it down. And you don't want to overcrowd the skillet, because you want your fish to cook. The hotter the grease, of course, the faster the fish is going to cook. And just don't overcrowd the skillet by putting the pieces close together. So I'll be back, and I'll have my kids do a test taste. I don't have time to come back on. When I take it out, I'm gonna jump right in the car. But I'll come back on for them to test taste the fish and let you guys know how it was. Okay, so Michael's tasting the fish now. What do you think about the fish?
Yeah.
The fish is good? Mm-hmm. Even Nathan's saying the fish is good. Michaela, what are you saying?
Fish is good.
The good kind. What'd you say about the fish, Michaela? Good. Okay, Nathan, put your head over because you're right behind me. What'd you say about the fish, Nathan?
It's good.
It's good. Got a 3 thumbs up, I guess.
Well, I get my wife, I'm cooking her this.
You getting your wife, you gonna cook it? That's what's up. All right, I'm glad you guys appreciate it. And thank you guys for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And we'll be back.